This isn't a good start today. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got frost. Frost on my airline. Froze up already. Ain't even started yet. Just want to show how cold it is. Look at this. That's ice. The water that's built up. That's how cold this pipe is to hold. It's making that freeze up. Just froze. My hands hurt, they're that cold. Hello. Pipes are freezing up. Right, while I've been blasting away, freezing the tips off, I've been thinking how can I get warm, don't get the coatings on. So, these cool tubes, right, the way that it's set up here is to blow cold air. I don't know if you can see it here, but it says on it, cold. So that attaches to your helmet and blows cold air. But, what I've actually realised is when this is blowing down the arse crack, I know it's red hot air. So, my feeling is, it says hot there, so that's exhaust side. Because if I put that on there, open that up a little bit. Oh, that rubber's knackered in there. Connect that to my helmet now. Hopefully it'll blow air. Blow hot air. Turn this up. Yeah, the pressure reading says it's about here. Get a bit more. See what we're at. On that helmet, I can only pull one tab at a time. It's easy, there's that one, and then I leave that back and like that. I can't pull that off. Right, I just want to show you this. That's how cold it is. Look at that. Rough.